Hello class, this is Ms. Montes. This week we're going to be going over chapter 8 of The Outsiders. Just wanted to remind you that we do have the PDF file and the audiobook of the book here. Remember, you did also take a physical copy of the actual book or a printout. So here, if you scroll down to our post from March 26th, we do have the PDF file of the complete book. So please remind each other that we have the PDF file. Now I also added our audiobook on March 26th. It's reading the whole entire book for you guys. So you have those two options. You also have your copies as well. So please do not forget you have the whole book here as a PDF and you have the audiobook as needed for you guys. So let's go to this week's first assignment you should have been working on. So here I have the chapter 8 assignment questions. If you click on the video link, it's going to read to you the chapter 8. So question number 1. How does what the doctor first say on page 119 foreshadow Johnny's condition? So right here you're looking at the word foreshadow. Okay, the word foreshadow is asking you what's going to happen in the future. It's giving you clues as to what might happen further down the line, further down in the story. Number 2, they're giving you a quote on page 121. We needed Johnny as much as he needed the gang, and for the same reason. What do you think Pony means, and what is the reason? So with that quote, what does he mean? Johnny needed the gang, and for the same reason. So they needed each other. So Johnny needed his friends, and his friends needed him. What do you think Pony means with that? Number 3, if Derry didn't have Soda and Pony, why would he be a Soc? That is very well told to you in the chapter. It's told to you as to why, if he didn't hang around with these two people, why would he be fitting in with the Soc? Is it because of his social standing? Is it because of his wealth? Or none of that? Or is that totally off topic? So please make sure you are reading because the questions are fairly easy and they're extremely linked to the topic being told in the chapters. And number 4, what does Cherry mean when she says Bob wasn't just anyone on page 129? So look at that look at that phrase that's in quotation marks. Wasn't just anyone. So there must have been something special about Bob. Okay, why? Why did she say that? What was so special about Bob if that's the case? Okay, so those are the 4 questions on chapter 8. Like I mentioned here for chapter 8, I found the audio for chapter 8. It's going to read the entire chapter to you if that's what you would prefer. That's there for you. And then you would type in. I was able to now make a copy for each one of you, so you should have no issues typing on the Microsoft Word file. So let me know if you're still not able to, but that should have fixed the problem. Okay, after you read chapter 8, you do have a quiz on quizzes. It's going to be the same way we did last week. Okay, so you go ahead and just click on the link. So once you click on the link, it's going to directly take you to quizzes. All you have to do is press play. Okay. Then here's the question. Just friendly reminder that up here, it's a timer. So once this line stops, you run out of time. So please make sure to click on your answer. Okay. So once you're done, it's going to give you your score, what grade you got. So once you're finished, you tell me if you got a 94%, a 90%. Take a picture of your score or screenshot and then load it up here. Most of you have been able to do that, no problem. I even see that 3 of you have already turned it in. So let me just quickly check. So Carlos already turned in his, and then I see here he attached the screenshot. So great job, shout out to Carlos. Right here it tells me his score. Okay, so here's the score. So make sure you are attaching. Let's look at Eduardo's right here. Eduardo also attached his score. And I think also Juanita has already turned in her screenshot as well of her score. So here we have Juanita's. Juanita got 100. Great job on that 100%, Juanita. So I'm able to see that you are able to screenshot and submit your scores. So again, once you click on the link, you take your quiz. Do not forget to take a pic or a screenshot of it so I can have the score. Okay, and then the last assignment for the week is going to be our class discussion. We've been having great success in our class discussions. These are preparing you for college. You're doing Mormon classes, which are all about critical thinking, all about essay writing, all about thought-provoking assignments. So our class discussion for Friday, which is April 24th, we will also be reviewing it during our Google Meet. Here it is. Read the following statement. The fact that Pony is actually the youngest member of the gang affects how others treat him. Now here's the question. Have you ever experienced being treated differently because of your age? So write a minimum of one example relating to the real world in which you wished you could be older to do certain things. Share out. Remember to receive full credit. Please make sure to do your post and then comment on 2 other of your classmates. So right here, here's the question. Have you ever experienced being treated differently because of your age? That's one question. So yes, I've experienced being treated different because of my age. Yes or no? Then you also are to provide a minimum of one example to the real world in which you would wish you could be older to do certain things. For example, you wish you were older to have a driver license. You wish you were older so you could get a job. Maybe those of you who are very political in our class, you like politics like I do, maybe you wish you were older so that you can vote in the upcoming election. So that would be the real world connection, the real world, real life example that I would want you to provide. So remember, once you do your post, wait for 2 of your classmates to do theirs and go ahead and comment on theirs. And also do, a further explanation and opinion as to why you agree with their post. Just a friendly reminder, we are going to continue with online classes all the way till the rest of the semester, which our class will end May 28th. So we do have about 5.5 more weeks to go for our online class or our paper instructional packets that we're doing. So please make sure to continue to do your work. Reach out to me via email, cmontes@laredoisd.org. Send me a message on our Remind app chat. I'm always available. If I don't answer within a couple of minutes, I'll probably answer you with the next school day, depending on the time that you message me. But I try to be available as much as I can for you guys. So I'll see you on Friday in our virtual online class. Have a great day.